All right, so this is the final day for me at this Christmas tree lot. I'm all packed up, ready to go. Said my goodbyes to my managers, and I wanted to introduce you to somebody that worked here at the lot with me and that I met previous year at RTR. This is Daniel. He goes by Slim Travels. You may have seen him comment on some videos. This is Slim. What's up, Slim?
How are you, bud?
So I am giving the old adventure van to Slim. I mentioned this a while ago. If you don't know the full story, I was gifted a van, my current van. A couple reached out to me through YouTube. They're just awesome subscribers of mine. And in the midst of all that, I really thought it would be the thing to do to just pass on my van as well. Slim does have a mechanic background, and I knew with the issues that the van was having, I would not be comfortable giving to someone that wasn't mechanically inclined. So any issues it has, hopefully Slim can take care of. Seems like you're not scared off by it.
No, not at all. I've actually driven it, and the van's actually still in pretty good shape.
Still runs pretty good.
Yeah.
I've got a good feeling about it, so I just hope it continues to be a good vehicle for you. So we did the move out the other day. All of my possessions are currently out of the van. Slim has moved some of his stuff in there, so we're all going to be heading out here. Sorry about the airplane, guys. We're right by an airport. So anyway, what I was saying was we're pretty much good to go. He's going to do some final touches on getting his stuff in there, and then I think we're all heading to Quartzsite from here. So we'll be reconvening in Quartzsite at the RTR. So anyone that knows my van and recognizes it and thinks that I'm still in it, if you go knocking on the door, you're going to get this guy, not me.
Right.
So yeah, like I said, it just feels good to turn it over to someone. Anything you wanted to say, Slim?
Just honestly, a big sincere thank you.
Yep,
and
for sure, man.
I've got a chance to work with you. A year before that, I got a chance to hang out with you around a campfire. You're a good guy. Appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. I wish you the best. I hope it works out for you. But there's no guarantees. Like the van that was given to me, I've already had to do some work on it. That's just the nature of old vehicles. But I feel like this era of vans, all makes, Dodge, Fords, and Chevys, were all good vans. You just got to put a little tender, loving care into them, and they'll treat you well.
Besides, it's not an adventure if everything goes all right.
Exactly. So the adventure van has been officially turned over. We signed over the title. I turned over the keys a few days ago. So I just wish you the best, man. I know you've been doing this on the road thing for a couple years, and you've got the bug. You know it's something you want to do.
Absolutely.
So I hope it treats you well, man.
I appreciate it.
Best of luck to you.
One last thing.
Yeah.
I need to get an AdventureVanMan sticker for my van.
You do. We'll set you up, man. We'll set you up. Take care, bro.
All right.
Alright, so before I head out here too, I thought it'd be cool to introduce you to Dana. Dana has been working the Christmas tree lot. She was a cashier. She actually showed up here. Her mom is out driving. Showed up here in a Class CRV, traveling, doing work camping jobs with your mom. Yeah. And this turned out to be a little bit of an unexpected transitionary experience for you. So Dana has since, what's gone on? You now have a van.
So I now have a van. Yeah, we decided sort of, my mom and I, to part company because I wanted a different way of life than she wanted. And so I went out, looked for a van, actually found exactly what I wanted. I was looking for very certain things, double barn doors and solid wall on one side, window on the other, things like that. Found it.
So here you are.
Yeah, found it in Southern California. So now I'm cleaning it, getting to know the van, and then I have 2 weeks to build it.
Awesome. So you're going to do Quartzsite too?
Yes.
So we'll see you out in Quartzsite. And another neat thing about Slim and Dana, you guys kind of hit it off as friends right away.
Friends?
So Slim showed up here, got a job, got a van, made a friend, and then you've kind of the same deal, ended up with a van and a new friend, and that's
a new friend, actually.
It's the beauty of these work camping experiences. I was talking to Bill about that earlier, so I think that's exciting. Puts a smile on my face. It's always neat and nerve-wracking and fear involved in starting on a new adventure, but I think you're going to do just fine. Yeah, that's where the fun's at.
It's all fun.
Anyway, thanks for saying hi. If you, this is a Chevy 20 van, kind of like mine, so we'll see you out in Quartzsite, and some people might recognize you and say hi.
Oh, you'll get to see it at least partially built.
Partially built. Right on, Dana. Thanks for saying hi.
Thanks.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It is now New Year's Eve day. I just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year as we go into the year of 2018. Thanks everyone for following along in the year of 2017 on the adventures. It was a blast. Looking forward to the new year to come. So I just kind of wanted to bring you up to date now that I am officially in this new van and the Dodge van is no longer mine. I will just talk about that a little bit. It was a little emotional somewhat. I was with that van for 4 years and lived in in it for a solid 4 years, and 3 of those years I traveled all over the U.S. Just camping out, taking seasonal jobs. It was really quite an adventure, and that van allowed me to do a lot. I really don't have like an emotional connection with that van, but it was a very valuable tool for me. It served me well, and it got me to the places that I wanted to see. So very, very grateful for that. I really hope it serves Slim in the future as well. I know he'll probably have to put some work into it, as well as I've had to put work into my current van. I'm in now a 1991 Chevy G20 kind of conversion van, and you know, it's a 91. It needs a lot of tender loving care, which I've been giving it. So some of the things I've been working on outside of the van build, I did some engine maintenance, as well as all of the door seals are pretty much shot. Let me see if I can even give you a glimpse of that. This one here kind of being the worst. So basically when you drive, all the doors rattle because there's just no seal left, and like here it's so bad you can just see right through. So when it's windy, you get a big draft through there. So I will be replacing all the door seals. I do have those on order. They should be showing up in the next few days. So I'll get all those replaced hopefully before I hit the road. And as far as the rest of the build, it is going well. It's starting to get a little dark here, so I got my light handy. I still don't have any electricity in here, although I did purchase my batteries. I will do a special video on those when I install them, but I went with some cell phone tower batteries. I don't even know if you can see those because they're black. They kind of blend in there. And also you can see I'm using a Dometic portable toilet. That's new to me. That's something that I haven't been using before, and I've had a chance to test it out, and it is working great. I should have started using one of those a long time ago. Other things I've been doing, I have the furniture, all the desks tops of polyurethane, so I've got a nice smooth coat on those. Things are just kind of placed in here right now. Obviously I still need to do the paneling on the ceiling. Also polyurethane to my kitchen countertop, and just working on my storage solutions. I found some nice baskets to go in the drawer space there. I did build another shelf down below. So it's slowly coming along. The big challenge is I'm trying to do this all while living in the van and having all my stuff in it. So when I do need to do some work and modify things, I have to pull a lot of junk out. So it's a little bit of a hassle, but kind of a quality problem because I'm just grateful to have a shelter. So that's the state of the van there. And again, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.